The first big decision when buying a barbecue is whether you want gas or charcoal. So we're going to run through the pros and cons of each to help you decide. And we'll also go through the key features to look out for to ensure that you choose the right barbecue. While gas barbecues are usually more expensive, they're generally more convenient.
Gas barbecues heat up quicker than charcoal and give you more control over the temperature. It's much easier to cook evenly on the grill and avoid burning food. Plus, on some gas models, you have the option of roasting. They're also easier to light than charcoal barbecues and easier to clean.
However, our tests show that some gas barbecues lack that distinctive barbecue taste.
You can enhance the taste of using a gas barbecue by opting for one with lava rocks or flavourizer bars. But if a smoky taste is your priority, you're best off going for a charcoal barbecue. Size-wise, a 2-burner gas or medium-sized charcoal barbecue would give you enough cooking room for up to 6 people. For larger parties, consider a 3 or 4-burner gas model or an oil drum charcoal barbecue. A useful feature to look out for is a warming rack. These are handy for storing cooked food on while the rest catches up.
Look out for removable ash collectors and fat drip trays. These make cleaning much easier.
A temperature gauge fitted into the hood lets you monitor the cooking temperature, which makes preheating easier. Other accessories include shelves, base storage trays, side hooks and condiment holders, but watch out as sometimes these can be too small to be useful.
Cheaper models tend to be flimsier and harder to assemble. However, our tests found good and bad examples of both cheap and expensive barbecues. Read our reviews to find out the barbecues that impressed us.